Afusa, good morning.
Good morning, yo.
And welcome to our company. Like, I don't believe I'm meeting you for real because I love all your comedy, I love all your videos, everything about you. I love it. Can I just do this and say you like this that we are talking?
Excuse me. Can I just do the talking?
Sorry, sir.
Madam PA. When I told you to get a contact for me, did you?
Sir, these people are celebrities, so to get their number is always hard.
Really? But I got the contact. I got the damn contact.
Okay.
Rubbish. You are welcome, Ojare, Madam Afusa, and I'm glad to welcome you to this Abaniwara here under the supervision of ACP Limited. We have seen all the good work that you have been doing on Afusa Comedy Production. So, on behalf of me, as the MD of this organization, and my team, we want to officially sign you as one of our ambassadors in this organization, and you are not going to regret it.
Saying Lala ni. Am I inside my dream? Me, ambassador.
So, you are going to sign here.
I don't know, make I show off small. Let me show everyone what I perceive in life. It's not easy. Here for the money, yale. Hi everyone, it's your girl, Auntie Afusa. To all of you that have a aeroplane that say Afusa will not go far, I've go very far now. I am now ambassador for Abaniwara here. Sebaje, bá mi sasi fún wọn. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé I don't use the hair. It's too expensive for my hustle. Like this Abaniwara here now, they say this one is 140,000 naira. Here we be say if you enter Osodi, near under bridge, lower level, you can price this here 7,000 naira.
Are you mad or something?
And if you price it very well, they will sell two for you 12,000. And now this kind here say if you use it finish, you go dey use your hair like this, quick, finish it. This here is full of sample. Anyway, sir, I just say I should break the good news for you because I am now their ambassador. Bye. See you. Bye bye. So, director, where should I sign? What should I do? I say anything? You must open this thing. You say, I must sign it. What should I do? Did I say anything bad? I will not live here.